Right, you're welcome, and this is Kinemaster. So right now we want to animate the design we just made on PictoLab. You understand? So, and just as I told you, it's very simple. We click on create new. Okay, then this 16 ratio now is already there. We just click on next. All right, so we have this right now. So the first thing I will advise you to do is to choose images and choose maybe something black background. You understand? Then we can extend it a bit to like maybe 10 seconds 10 seconds or 15 seconds thereabout. So we have that. So then we click on layer, then media, choose media, then come to where we have the Samsung resources, because those are the resources, iPhone resources rather, because those are the resources we're going to be using. Then so we can click on this just as we did for PictoLab. Then because we have already saved that, so then place it at the top here, so this will be a kind of a guardian for us. Okay, all right, so the next thing is for us to now start bringing those elements. So the first thing we want to bring is the background. So first, let's change this black to like white. Let's change the color to white. How do you do that? You click on the color, then come and click here, this particular color again, then change it from black to white. All right, so it's already black. So the next thing is for us to now click on layer and start bringing those elements. So iPhone resources, remember, so bring this. So now that we have this, we just simply come and click this here. Okay, so we click it and then choose this other side there. Can you see that? But I think it's just too big, right? It's too big, so let's off it. Let's just extend it normally. So I think it's okay like this. And click on these three dots: center horizontal, center vertical. Okay, so I think it's okay like this. Okay, so then we can send it to the back, send backward, so that other one will be showing, right? So the next thing for us to do is to bring the iPhone, if I'm not mistaken. So we click on layer, go to iPhone resources, and just bring the first iPhone, this one, then position it here. I hope you get that. Position it here. All right, position it here. So next thing is for us to bring the second iPhone, this, then position it here. So I think it should be here. Yeah, then the other one will click on it, and place it at the back there. So I think that's awesome. Also already awesome. So next thing is to bring the iPhone typed iPhone. So simply go to iPhone resources, then bring the typed iPhone. So it's actually going to be that very easy here. It's going to be a very easy stuff here. Okay, iPhone, can you see that? Okay, so we can kind of I think it's just okay like this, or we can expand the size a bit. But it's okay like this. All right, so the next thing is, let's bring the next text. Okay, come and choose the next one. Will be that will be iPhone 13 Pro. We click on that and place it under iPhone 13 Pro. So next one will bring let's say iPhone resources, iPhone 13 Pro Max. We click on that, we bring it and position it well. I hope you're following. It's not something difficult, right? It's not as difficult as you thought. Then the next one is to bring the next one, which is what we call the so that will be this particular blue stuff. Then we'll place it downward there. So then we'll put layer again, then come take this other one, place it beside. Are you seeing the beauty? Same thing, take the other one, then the text. So I think this is $1,000, so place it here, $1,000. Okay, and the next one The next one is replace the text. Also iPhone, the second text, that's $1,200. Place it, position it well. So it's not something that is difficult at all. Alright, so I think what's next? Okay, those logos, those stuff. So we'll come and pick them and place them here. Hear what I'm saying? So it's as simple as that. Then the next one is that blue stuff again for the second buy now. So we'll go to iPhone resources again, come down, choose it, then place it well. It might not be looking exactly as the design is, but here it's just a simple concept. Then the next one is for us to bring the text again, that final text, buy now. So we just click on it and place it there. Awesome. So now we can come to the top and simply delete our stuff. Okay, so now we have our design. So the simple thing we can actually do here now is now start to kind of change the size. Okay, because I can see that it's not actually looking exactly as we want it. So we can simply come and click on the iPhone here, and the iPhone here, this iPhone here, then position it well. Okay, I think the iPhone is somewhere around there. Then choose the other one. I didn't mean I did it on Pixel Life directly. It would have been a very easy stuff, but notwithstanding, there is no excuse. So I can increase the size of this one a bit so that it does cover some parts. Okay, then the same thing with this, I can increase its size also a bit. You understand? So then position it here. So click on this, position them, so they have to be well aligned. So for this one, so that's another problem, because we will not be able to achieve the exact size, but notwithstanding, this is okay. So the next thing is click on this, kind of expand it a bit, then click on the other one there, kind of expand it a bit and position it. Then our text, click on this, expand it a bit. Can you see that? The other one, expand it a bit, then click on it. Can you see that? Awesome. Then this one, expand it also a bit. Okay, we have that. Then we have this, expand it also a bit, expand it. Then the buy now, expand it also a bit. So awesome. So we have our design already. This is iPhone design. Okay, this is iPhone design. Okay, so all we need to do is now to animate a video. And how do you animate it? You can simply come and start clicking on each of them. Okay, so for the first one, I'll click on in animation. I can use enter slide right. Can you see that? Enter slide right. So that's 1 second. So but to make it flow, I would prefer to use 1.5. So 1.5. Then the out animation, the exit slide left. So once I use right, I'll use, so I'll make it 1.5 also. So the same thing with this. So use the same thing, enter slide right. Enter slide right. That's 1.5. Okay. Then the exit also, exit slide left, so 1.5. So then for this next one, this one also, enter slide right, that will work for it also, 1.5. Then the exit slide left, 1.5 also. Okay, so the next one is this iPhone. So I want it to come from the left, so that will be enter slide left, enter slide right, enter slide right, enter slide left. Okay, so I'll choose 1.5, enter slide left. Then that will be exit slide right for the out animation. so same 1.5. Can you see that? Then I'll move on to the next one. The iPhone, right? So I'm going to choose enter slide. I want that one to come from the left, also from the left. That will be 1.5. okay, then the exit also, exit slide right, 1.5. So I hope you're getting that. So it's as simple as ABC. So the next thing, for the next one also, I'm going to do the same thing. The enter slide right, left, 1.5, and the exit also. Exit also 1.5, exit slide right, 1.5. Okay, so keep to the next one. Enter slide left, same thing, 1.5. Exit side right, 1.5. So I'll basically do the same thing for all. Okay, if I should play it now, you're going to see what I'm saying. Can you see that? Is that not awesome? That's awesome. That's how to simply animate your video. So, and once you're done, you just click on export and save your video. You understand? And save your video. So I'm not interested in saving it for now. So that is simply how to do that. So thank you. I hope you got